Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a super exciting unboxing video of the new Dyson Airwrap. So Dyson has sent me this to review. I am doing a video which will come out in about a week, just showing how to use the Airwrap curling product. There are two different barrels. There is the 30ml and the 40ml, so I'm going to unbox this and show you the whole thing. First off, it comes in the box which shows you all the different attachments that you get on the side of the box, which is super cool. I love when you can just see a packaging box and know what's inside. So it tells you that you get the pre-styling dryer, you get the 30ml Airwrap barrels, and you get the 40ml Airwrap barrels. You get two of each so you can do each side of your hair. You also get the firm smoothing brush and you get the soft smoothing brush, and then last you get the round volumizing brush. So yeah, I love the packaging box to begin with. And then it comes in this Dyson box. I love the look of this. You can see the little Dyson imprinted on the box as well, which is super cute. It's just so high quality, like the actual product inside. Then when you open the box, inside it has instructions and a QR code if you want to watch the video, which is super handy. Lift that up, then you have the leather look cover, which also has Dyson on the top of it. I have opened this a few times to shoot my video, so everything might be a little bit jumbled. So we have the actual device itself in there, which is where you clip on all the different parts. There are the 30ml barrels, so they give you two of each, so you get a left and a right, which is super cool. I've always found it quite hard to curl my hair with other devices because of the way my hand sits, but with the Dyson Airwrap it's just so easy. So those are the 30ml barrels, and then you get the 40ml barrels, which are so cool. I love the pink pot, it's so cute. First off, this one is the soft smoothing brush, and I just love that it moves. I just think that's such cool technology. And then we have the firm smoothing brush, which also moves. Just so cool, and those clip onto the main part of the Dyson Airwrap, and they're literally so easy to clip on. I'll show you guys at the end. Then we have the round volumizing brush. I haven't tried this one yet, but it looks super cool and it clips on nicely on top of the Airwrap device as well. Last off is the pre-styling dryer. That is the attachment there. Love the pink on all of these, it's just so pretty. I'm just going to show you guys how it clips on now. So another thing that I love about this is the cord is super long. It's one of my pet peeves when devices have small cords. So this is super long and just means you can reach to the other side of your room. So it's literally so easy to clip them on. You just get the grooves and you line them up, and then you just push down, and that's all. And it has a little clip at the back, and if you want to release it, you just push it down and pull it off. It has 3 settings for fan, fast, medium, slow, and has 3 cooling settings as well, hot, medium, and cool. So I'm just going to show you how another attachment goes on. You just line it up, and it's super easy, clip and done. So overall, I'm really impressed by the packaging and the actual product for the Dyson Airwrap, and I'm so excited for you guys to see my video actually trying out the Airwrap. So look out for that on my channel and make sure to subscribe so you can see that first.